Benefits of rosemary for your hair and scalp include: it has antifungal properties. It helps to get rid of dandruff and other scalp irritations over time. So make sure you apply generously to the scalp. Benefit 2. It is anti-inflammatory. It aids in circulation and less tenderness of the scalp. So ensure you apply directly and massage the scalp. Benefit number 3. Rosemary is known to have similar properties to the popular drug minoxidil, which is used worldwide for hair growth. Over time, it improves blood flow to the scalp, which decreases shedding and will encourage hair growth. I can't wait to start using this magical herb.